In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Steam Web API key and manage your information the right way. This is a simple process, but there are a few important requirements you need to know before you start. Most importantly, your Steam account must be non-limited, which means you need to have spent at least $5 USD on Steam before you can generate a key. If you've already met that requirement, you're good to go. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech walkthroughs just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to steamcommunity.com/dev/API. This is the official Steam Web API key page, and it's where you'll create and manage your key. If you're not already signed in, Steam will ask you to log in with your account credentials. Go ahead and enter your username and password, then complete any verification steps if prompted. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the API key registration page. Here, you'll see a field labeled domain name. This is where Steam asks you to register a domain for your API key. If you're building a website or app, you can enter the domain you plan to use. If you don't have a real domain yet, you can usually enter localhost for testing purposes or use a placeholder like example.com, depending on what you're setting up. After that, take a moment to read the Steam Web API terms of use. It's always a good idea to understand the rules before generating a key, especially if you plan to use the API in a project or tool. Once you've reviewed the terms, check the box to agree. Then click the register button to generate your API key. Steam will process the request and your unique API key will appear on the screen. This key is a 32-character string, and it's what your application will use to access Steam Web API features. Make sure you copy it carefully and store it somewhere secure. Don't share it publicly, and don't post it in videos, screenshots, or code that other people can access. If you ever need to manage your key later, you can come back to the same API page. From there, you'll be able to view your registered domain, update your information if needed, or revoke the key if you no longer want it active. That's especially useful if you change your website, move to a new project, or want to protect your account by removing old access. In other words, the API page is not just where you create the key, it's also where you manage it going forward. And that's it. You've now learned how to get a Steam Web API key and manage it safely. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.